Okay, rolling up a little late, but let's see what I can do. Yeah, let's do this one. Low 153, 154, so 2 points. So all right, so we're in. Low 153.79. Boom. Let's replace that order because that was 25. There you go. All right, let's see what happens. Oh. My computer won't start. That's great. All right, look at this. Here we go. Let's see what we're up on. It's Jim's 6, 4. Ooh, 21. What is Jimmy doing here? What is Jimmy doing here? Plus 30. Now he has a plus 5. Nice. Nice bounce, Jim. See if he can put in the $5 stop. AMD. What am I doing? I'm up 5, 6. Okay, let's see what happens here. This was easy. 11. Looks like I caught an elephant. We'll see. It could completely reverse, but we're looking good. We are looking good. We're looking really good. Look at this. AMD. Is there anything else? Take a look at Tesla. Wow. Oh, wow. My Tesla. You get 30-day below it. It's pulling all the way back up. I could short it at 252. So let's watch that. Let's put an alert right here. So the alerts work great on your phone. Whoa. All right. Alert. Create alert. There we go. So if it comes up to the blue line, we got that going here. Spy. Spy's running. Apple. Jimmy G's going for it. He gets that 5. Oh, man. Killing it. All right, so he wants a stop on Apple. All right, so I gave him a stop on Apple. Boom. You're welcome, Jimmy G. Oh, look at this. What is going on here? What do I got? Wow, that was a big retracement. Maybe I should get out of this. Let's size down on AMD. Let's sell 15. Just because this is looking a little crazy. What? One minute. There we go. All right, so limit close. There we go. Okay. 154.30. So stop at 154.30 for 5 shares. I left my partial in. See what happens. Okay. All right. There we go. It's AMD I'm rolling with. What's Tesla My Tesla doing? Oh baby, get up there. Get up there, Tesla. Just for my own curiosity, what's MJ doing today? Getting smoked. Is my phone messed up? Whatever. All right. So let's look at here. All right, AMD's killing it. BAC. Let's go to Meta. Okay, that's out of play. Some CI. Wow. Murked. All right. Let's say if we get here, create alert. Boom. Okay. SMCI was a great short. Look at that. Look at that, how beautiful that one is. Boom, boom, boom. Right below the white line and then the yellow line as well. SPY? SPY's probably just killing it right now. Yep. We got a double top here. We get a strong double top. 554. This could be a nice red to green move. We close out there. Let's look at Microsoft. Microsoft can't make up its mind, but it looks like it's hitting a wall. Do we get a wall over here that it's hitting? Yeah, a little bit. Do we have a red that took out green? Yeah, a little bit. Not really. Amazon. Let's take a look at you. Ooh. Running down into this resistance here. Having a lot of wicks. This is probably going to go to the north side. Granted, that first candle's strong. Okay. Keep an eye on you. Oh, my NVDA play. Let's take a look at you. Wow. Just straight power. Did my computer really just die? Oh no. Okay, well, that's fine. So this is going to be a great play. Let's see, where's this just broke out here. Over all this. So it could run all the way up to 125. It will. So put my alert. 125. Create alert. Okay. For the pullback. What a play. Am I still in? AMD? Oh, there we go. Nice. See what that one can do. That's pretty flat pre-market. Look at how flat it was pre-market. And I think we get space to go up to 156. But I'll just leave this one because if they just blast off, this thing could just go. So take a look at that. Oh, shit. Did he? I set a stop limit order that autofilled me on Baba. Is he $50 down on Tesla? Ruh-roh. We're going to have to make a change on that. Where's the top? Wow. Here we go. I can't believe my computer won't work. Should I close in this thing? Oh, man. Oh, this is going to be sweet. I'm at $17 in AMD. Wow. 22, 0 28. Okay. This candle closes solid. Some good news bears. Oh, look at this. Look at this. NVDA is just beautiful. What a beautiful setup. Just touched our moving average and just ran. AMD's probably pulling back too. Yeah, it like shadows NVDA. Yeah, hit that one spot. Let's see if we can push through. If we get a solid candle out of this, I'll move my stop up. It'll be the first solid candle of the day. So if we get a nice solid one, it'll be worth it. We have to push. That ain't gonna do it. That ain't gonna do it. So I'm looking for a solid candle to move my stop up to. If I see a nice big wick on the top, that ain't gonna be the one. Doesn't look like it's gonna be the one. So Jim shorted Amazon, or went long Amazon. Yep, he shorted it, which is, it went right back into itself. So that is dangerous, especially with when it bounced off this level. But he is playing the elephant candle, so I can't fault him too much for this. AMD's just killing it still. Take a look at Tesla, see if I can win this back for us here. Oh, it already fell. Tesla has fallen. So that means that it's probably going to blast into the 200 and break it. If you get some pullback here, yeah. Yeah. You got the 30-day right here. That's a 30-day, this yellow line. It's coming up into the 365, so we'd expect continuation. So we're probably going to get a pullback as this comes up, and then just a blast off through the blue line. So if it comes back to like 248, it'll be a good entry. It just broke this green candle. So if you wanted the quick play, short at the bottom of this wick, and you'd be getting filled, right? You already got filled. And then that will, you play the comeback towards the 365. But once again, with the 30-day below here, that's dangerous because that means that the 30-day has more room to cross over the 365-day and pull up. So we'll figure this out. Let's see where AMD closed. Should I move this up? I can move it up to the middle. Let's move it up to the middle. 150, 149.99. 154.99. We'll do that. There we go. and then add on the red to green here. If we get a nice red candle. Cool. Let's see what Jimmy G had to say. Why did those 10s sell on me? The 1 through P. All right, so let's see what's going on in Tesla world. Yep, look at that. There's almost to a T to the point that I was talking about here. So we're probably going to get a blast through here. So I would play the pullback. So like if we blast through this, which anytime you see consolidation up near moving average and then it goes at it, it's going to blast through. So we're just going to try. That 22 was nice. That 50 was not so nice. Okay, what else are we looking at? NVDA. See, NVDA it's still the 30 days pretty close. What are we doing? Running into resistance over here? Let's look to the left. So we're looking at 123. Not really. There's nothing. So this has clearance to go up to 125. So maybe it's just a little pullback, a little baby pullback. Yep. So if you look at this, if you see this green as one big move, let's do this. If you see this whole green here as just like one big candle, then that pullback is in the top third of that big green move, which is exactly where you want it to be. Exactly, literally perfect. So, you know, this zone here, if it stays within this zone here, that's money for a long. So a break above this red candle would be just a great play. And then this is what I would consider an elephant candle off the 365, even though it's 1, 2, 3, 4 candles in a row. That to me is an elephant candle, just green. So if we stay above 122, that is really strong. And then just get in on the first color change of red back to green. So it's a red candle right now. So the first color change back, I would jump in on. That could be this red candle here. So, you know, setting an order there would be good. Let's see, AMD, I'm just killing it still. Up 18. It's amazing. $56. The time really matters. So on the top of my screen, I'm seeing that it's 9:56. Anything over, these are 5-minute candles. So 2 minutes, 50 seconds in, after that is an entry. Oh, this thing die. So AMD should be coming back down now because we're watching the drop in NVDA. So we haven't even had a red to be able to add on this. really consolidate. Let's take a look at what the hour chart looks like, because we're going to close that candle in 4. Okay, so we'll wait. So we just blasted off the 30 days. This thing's going to run. This is the best partial ever. What a good partial this is. Oh my. So we're hitting this. We're coming into 3 minutes left. If we break this right here, 157, 10. I mean, it's just the retracements can be huge on this. And coming into the last 3 minutes, you're going to see that power. So I like to see it on the hour chart to see if we're going to close with a strong fuck you candle or not. I hope we do, because this could be massive. Looks like we pulled back hard right at the halfway point. I really hope we re-challenge this at 58, 958. We're at 957 right now. And it's key to have a scanner. Like, this scanner is huge. You have to make it on. Let's go, baby. Oh, Jimmy, let's go. Let's go. Where is it? Where's his Amazon? Oh, he only took tiny size, so. Oof. That's a big rejection off of the 30-day moving average on the hour time frame. See, he's playing that curl back down. It's a strong move. It's a strong play. You're playing that red candle held. This big red candle held. And the stock only retraced 30% of it. So that's his game plan. So let's see. AMD coming back down. AMD getting crushed. First red candle. First red candle. And it's a doji. Not a great sign. Not a great sign. And now look at this. The 30-day has finally made it to the 365 and is crossing. I still think there's more upside. So I would go long in the top of this red candle. Big, because the stop is one. So what's the size of this candle? 155, 80, 156, so 70, so 9. So we'll just say dollar risk. So what do I want to risk? What do I want to risk? That's a question. That's if we don't get stopped out, because I'm right in the middle. A lot of times you can wick through that zone and then keep going north. Let's see what he said. Spy dumping. It's a 6 setup. Oh yeah, he got fucked up. That was that Amazon play. So let's look at the SPY, see what happened. He said SPY's dumping. So we didn't close strong. Woo! Right to the 30-day. SPY, oh my. This is what a lot of people thought was going to happen. Thought we were going to get a dump. We're still holding. All right, so this is extremely strong. So 122.95, 122. Well, let's make sure I'm the right size here. 122, 20, 90, 80, 70. So 70. So I'll risk. Well, this is the thing. If we don't wick back up and we keep pushing down, this is going to break 50% of that move, and it's basically right at it right now. So if we go lower than that, this thing is not going to sustain. So my AMD should be getting crushed. Correct. Those things move in sync. Oh baby, are you going to wick up? You're going to keep pushing down. It's early in the candle. It's only 10:01. So we still have 4 minutes left of this freaking candle. I really wish my computer would turn on. But nonetheless, forward trading, sweet. SMCI. Let's see how bad you're getting crushed. So this is perfect. You have the green in the middle. This is perfect reversal zone here. We hit this. This is absolutely beautiful for reversal. What's the range on this thing? 778. So 5. So 1 share, 2 shares. I don't want to risk a lot on this play. Let's see if it closes out. It's only 2 minutes in, so let's see what it does. SMCI is a very viable play. We've had the green candle in the middle of this drop, which means that usually when you see that, that's halfway point. It looks like the halfway point now. We get the 30-day really rejecting hard and pulling down off of the 365. So good play. Tesla, my Tesla, did we continue? Ooh, we're chopping up there. We're chopping up there. As long as it stays above this wick. If it drops below this wick, it's see you later, alligator. All right, let's go back to NVDA. And this is what I do. I just have a handful of stocks. I'll just keep going through. Take a look. It's sticking. Let's see. This is such a good long here. What's the size of this candle? This is $1. Yeah. So we'll say $1. Oh, that's the camel. That's the that breaks the camel's back right there. If that goes solid again, and it probably will. It's like a battering ram. It just hit twice on that door. And if it breaks through that middle, it's going to 121 where this is at. And then the chances of it completely retracing again, the odds go way down once it retraces that 50% mark in that move. So that's what I'm like. We're at there's like a 60% chance it's going to go up now because it hit the halfway point, which is still good odds. Am I still in AMD? Somehow. 3 candles in a row. Oh, man. Breakout of this is going to be huge. Okay. 122.61. There, we're going to go a little bit bigger on this. So risking 50 for the breakout of the highs. 123.30. That's perfect. That's so perfect. We're getting an alert here. Messages. Oh, that was just my filled. Tesla's going to be rocking. Yes, the stock has to breathe in and out. Right now it's breathing out. Ooh, are we going to break the low of this wick? That means the formation is dead. That's one battering ram hit on the door. Coming for another battering ram hit. Boom. Bounce back a little bit. That was strong, though. Oh, battering ram. See ya. See ya. So now pulling back to this wick would be the entry point. So it took 2 battering ram hits, and then it just got crushed. So I'm most likely going to get stopped out here. Oh, I already did on AMD. So $11. Green Day, baby. So that means that AMD or NVDA as well probably just got fucking destroyed here. Yep. Look at that. See how it all correlates? Now we got 1, 2, 3, 4 red candles in a row. What would be the middle of this? 119.80, 123.30. So we'll just say 122.80. So 1980, 120.80, 121.80. So would be roughly it. So right about, literally right where it's at. Literally right where it's at would be the halfway point. Okay. All right. I'll play that. High. 122.07. 08. I'll play that. Let's do it. Low is 122.44. Boom, I just put a stop in. All right. So I need this to go to 122.60. Honestly, it's a good play. You got 4 red candles in a row, down to the middle, 122.80. If it stops below that, probably cancel. Definitely don't, anticipate the breakthrough. Well, if it closes above 122, 121.80. Take a look at Tesla here. Oh, oh my word. All right, so this is 124, 375. Wait, 243.75, 251.75, 43. So it's 8. So 4. 47. So that's the halfway point right there. And it just got demolished. Wow. Look at that candle. So is NVDA getting killed too? Yep. Okay. So this is off. This is off. Because it broke too far. Broke too far, so you don't want to risk it.